Best AI prompts for budgeting and financial planning. Hey everyone, welcome back to Finance Clarity. Let me be honest with you. Most people are using AI for budgeting and financial planning completely wrong. They open ChatGPT or Claude and type something vague like, "Help me with my budget," or "How should I manage my money?" Then they get a generic surface-level answer that doesn't actually help them much. After a few tries, they conclude that AI isn't very useful for personal finance. But here's the truth. AI can be incredibly powerful for budgeting and financial planning, if you know how to talk to it properly. The difference between getting a useless answer and getting genuinely helpful advice often comes down to one thing: how you prompt the AI. In this video, I'm going to show you the best AI prompts for budgeting and financial planning that actually work. I'll give you ready-to-use prompts for tracking expenses, creating budgets, setting financial goals, planning for retirement, and more. If you want to stop getting generic answers from AI and start getting practical, personalized financial guidance, then stick around. This might be one of the most useful videos you watch this year. Let's get into it. Why good prompts matter when using AI for finance. AI tools like ChatGPT, Claude, or Grok are only as good as the instructions you give them. When you give vague or poorly written prompts, you get vague or low-quality answers. On the other hand, when you give clear, specific, and well-structured prompts, AI can analyze your spending habits, help you create realistic budgets, suggest ways to save more money, run different financial scenarios, explain complex financial concepts, simply help you set and track financial goals. The goal of this video is to teach you how to communicate with AI effectively, so it becomes a genuinely useful financial assistant. Best practices for writing. Good AI prompts for finance. Before we dive into specific prompts, here are some important principles. Be specific. Instead of saying, "Help me budget," say exactly what you want help with. Give context. The more background you provide, your income, expenses, goals, etc., the better the AI can help. Ask for step-by-step reasoning. This helps you understand how the AI reached its conclusions. Request structured output. Ask the AI to present information in tables, bullet points, or clear formats. Iterate. Don't be afraid to follow up and ask for clarifications or improvements. Now let's look at the actual prompts. Best AI prompts for budgeting. Here are some powerful prompts you can use. Prompt 1. Analyze monthly spending text. Analyze my monthly spending based on the following expenses. Paste your expenses here. Categorize them into needs, wants, and savings. Identify 3 areas where I'm overspending and suggest realistic ways to reduce those expenses. Prompt 2. Create a personalized budget text. I earn your monthly income per month after taxes. My fixed expenses are, list them. My variable expenses usually average around amount. Help me create a realistic monthly budget using the 50-30-20 rule, or suggest a better structure based on my situation. Present it in a clear table format. Prompt 3. 30-day spending challenge. Text. Create a 30-day spending challenge for someone trying to save more money. I want to reduce my discretionary spending while still maintaining a reasonable quality of life. Give me daily or weekly challenges and tips to stay consistent. Prompt 4. Track and improve money habits. Text, I want to build better money habits. Based on my current spending patterns, describe your habits. Suggest 5 specific habits I should build over the next 3 months and how I can track my progress. Best AI prompts for financial planning. Prompt 5. Set and prioritize financial goals. Text. I am your age, years old, and want to improve my financial future. My current financial goals are: list your goals. Help me prioritize these goals and create a realistic timeline for achieving each one. Also suggest what percentage of my income I should allocate to each goal. Prompt 6. Emergency fund planning text. I currently have $$ amount in savings. My monthly expenses are approximately $$ amount. Help me create a plan to build a 6-month emergency fund. How much should I save each month, and how long will it take me to reach my goal? Prompt 7. Retirement planning scenario text. I am your age, years old, and want to retire at desired retirement age. I currently have $$ amount saved for retirement and can save $$ monthly amount per month. Assuming an average annual return of 7%, project how much I might have at retirement. Also suggest ways I can increase that number. Prompt 8. Debt payoff strategy text. I have the following debts. List your debts with interest rates and minimum payments. Help me create a debt payoff plan. Should I use the avalanche or snowball method? Show me a month-by-month projection if I pay an extra amount per month toward debt. Advanced AI prompts for financial planning. Prompt 9. Multiple financial scenarios. Text. I want to buy a house in the next 3 to 5 years. My current savings are $$ amount, and I can save amount per month. Run 3 different scenarios. 1. Aggressive saving plan. 2. Moderate saving plan. 3. Relaxed saving plan. Show me how much I could have saved in each scenario and what house price range would be realistic. Prompt 10. Tax optimization ideas. Text. Based on my current financial situation, briefly describe your income, deductions, and investments. Suggest legal ways I can optimize my taxes for 2026. Focus on retirement contributions, deductions, and tax-advantaged accounts. Prompt 11. Net worth. Tracking and improvement text. Help me create a system to track and improve my net worth. I currently have the following assets and liabilities. List them. Suggest how I can improve my net worth over the next 12 months and what metrics I should track monthly. Prompt 12. Financial independence. FIRE. Planning text. I want to achieve financial independence. My current annual expenses are $$ amount, and I can save $$ amount per year. Using the 25x rule, calculate my FIRE number. Also create a realistic timeline based on my current savings rate and suggest ways to accelerate the process. How to get better results from AI. Here are some tips to improve your results. Always provide context about your income, expenses, age, and goals. Break big questions into smaller, specific prompts. Ask the AI to explain its reasoning. Use follow-up questions to refine the answers. Combine multiple prompts for deeper analysis. The more specific and structured your prompts are, the more useful the AI's responses will be. Common mistakes. When using AI for budgeting and planning, being too vague in your prompts, accepting answers without thinking critically, sharing too much sensitive financial information, expecting AI to make perfect predictions about the future, not reviewing or adjusting the plans. AI gives you AI is a tool to assist your thinking, not replace it. Final thoughts. Using AI for budgeting and financial planning can save you time and help you make better decisions, but only if you know how to communicate with it effectively. The prompts I shared in this video are designed to help you get practical, actionable advice instead of generic answers. The key is to be specific, provide context, and always review the suggestions with your own judgment. Start with 1 or 2 prompts that match your current needs. Test them, refine them, and build the habit of using AI as a helpful financial assistant. Over time, this can become a powerful way to stay organized, make smarter money decisions, and move closer to your financial goals. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more practical personal finance content. Drop a comment below and let me know which prompt you're going to try first. I read every comment. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.